नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याधिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, I welcome all of you for this live broadcast of Akashic Readings, the revelation of cosmic archives on past, present and future happening here in Bengaluru Adinam through the bodies of the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul. Today I will be available to you live. You can ask me any questions that you are having regarding anything that you have. You can just post it in the comments and I can be answering it to you live. So again, Nityanandam to all of you. Welcome all of you with my love and respect.
So I'll be putting this on, and then anybody, one or two people.
You can ask me anything, any question that you're having regarding the different Shaktis that we are manifesting, or what, anything that you're having regarding all these Shaktis and different powers. You can post it in the comments and you can get them answered live. The whole thing, today I want to share one more thing with all of you. I was waiting to share this one thing with you. It's, see, any time that we are initiated into a certain power and we are unable to manifest that power, it's not related to we don't have that ability or we don't have something. It's not related to that. It's, I welcome all of you. I'm seeing so many people telling Nityanandam Namaskaram, hi. Welcome all of you with the love and respect. So, anytime if you are not able to manifest a certain power, that problem is not based. So it's not based on anything external. It's always based on something internal only. So before going into all this, I've got a question. I'll answer the questions. Tantrakam Remedies is asking a question. Please explain me about Papa Karma and Punya Karma. Okay. Karma is not any. See, usually what we understand as karma, we do something and the result is what is karma, right? But karma is not just restricted to that. It's the thought currents that we are carrying continuously, that is karma. The thought currents that we carry, see, understand? So, karma is not just in the action level. Because if it is just in the action level, we very easily will be able to just modify, change the action with the wrong context. Simple example I'll give.
So I can see what's in it because
A mother will be holding a knife and the thief will also be holding a knife.
just tell her to make her.
But what will you get scared of? Will you get scared if your mother is holding a knife? No, it's based on whose hands it is in. Same way, we do so many actions, but from out of which thought current it is coming is what is important. So the thought currents that you are having, if you are having any thought current which is conflicting within yourself, if it is creating a conflict within yourself, that means that thought current brings karma in you. Any thought, when you are doing something, when you are having a thought current, that is again and again complementing each other. Like, there are so many different thought currents that you are having. So the thought current that is complementing you without creating any conflicts. When there is no conflict, that thought current you are not deciding for life. That's all is the whole secret. There's nothing else. There's nothing else like you sit and do so many things. Nothing is needed. Just this knowledge is enough. After that, you will simply see how nicely everything starts aligning for you because you will start deciding. So I think that was a clear thing. If you're having any more questions, you can post it in the comments and get them answered live. So this is all I wanted to share about the Papa Karma and Punya Karma. So Tantrakam remedies, if you have any more questions regarding this, you can post in the comments and get them answered. So understand again and again, I'm trying to tell you only one thing. Whatever is happening around you, anything that's happening around you, your thought currents, changing them is enough to change the external happening. So that is why Punya and Papa, everything is based on you, whatever thought process that you are having, not based on the actions that you're doing. Because anyone can easily alter the actions, but changing the thought current is what is very important. So if you have any more questions, you can post them live in the comment section and get them answered now.
You will know what is the right thing for you to do.
Yes. And but manifesting, so when you are aligned again and again, continuously declaring for life, it's very, very, very important to declare everything, whatever you do, and desire everything for life. Everyone's life has a particular purpose, correct? You have a particular purpose that this is what I want to do in my life. This is what I have to become. This is what I want to do. I want to do this thing with this person. I'll do with this thing with a help of that. Or there's so many different ideas, correct? All these things, particularly you'll have one thing as a main goal. Because I'll grow big and do this. Or in next 1 month I'm going to do this. You have particular goal. All of us have a particular goal in our life. The purpose of our life. You decide clearly what should be the purpose of your life. And align all your actions, all your thoughts, everything to that one purpose of your life. You'll simply see, once you start aligning each and every thought, each and every action, each and every word that you give, each and every feeling that you get, everything that is aligned to that one purpose, you'll simply see, slowly you'll start feeling that whole oneness starts happening in you. You start feeling that oneness with everything around you. You start having that space of deep friendliness within you. All the beautiful things starts manifesting through you. Once all the beautiful sweet things starts manifesting through you, you'll simply see you'll really become confident to start manifesting all these powers. You'll simply leave space for Swamiji to just flow through you, so for the cosmic energy to flow through you, and amazingly, in a very amazing way, the whole thing of power starts manifesting through you. You will become a beautiful being. People will just love to hang around you. People will just want to be with you. That is why you feel such deep friendliness with the next to Swamiji. Whenever you're going next to him in his breathing space, you'll suddenly feel like some kind of deep friendliness in him. Whether he's casually sitting or speaking to someone, whatever the situation may be, that's because he is established in that space of oneness. Same way, when you are established in that space of oneness, you'll simply see how the amazing way power starts manifesting, and all these beautiful qualities also starts manifesting through you. Then you will not have any conflicting ideas within yourself. Whatever cognition, any understanding that you are getting, anytime, whatever situation life is presenting to you, all those also will be support for you to achieve the purpose of your life. We have a question from Sudesh Nair. Nityanandam, once Shaktis are initiated to a disciple, I presume that all these Shaktis stays permanent in the disciple. He or she can manifest and play with these Shaktis, bringing oneself into oneness with Swamiji. Thanks to elaborate. I see, whatever Shaktis, yes, you're right. Whatever Shaktis you're manifesting, and if you are initiated into a Shakti, it stays permanently in your life. And whatever Shakti starts manifesting through you brings more and more and more oneness within you. And when this oneness starts happening, beautifully everything aligns for you. And more, because of this oneness, more oneness is reflected, and more it becomes a continuous virtuous cycle. And that virtuous cycle is only going to bring confidence to you. Mukesh Sharda, Nityanandam missing Bidadi Yatra, I need help with integrity. Yes, one thing you do is you watch satsang every day, you'll simply see the whole completion starts happening within yourself. Ravi Kumar, why no reply? What is the question? I didn't see any question from you, yeah? Ravi Kumar, no, I'm not able to see any question. You ask me any question, just post it in the comments, then I'll be able to answer it to you live. So Mukesh, Also, please give blessing for power manifesting. See, understand, there is a program which is coming for just for manifesting this power. If you're already initiated, you can come to that join the program and manifest it. And if see, understand, integrity is nothing else but other than your ferocious decision. If you decide strongly, I am going to be in complete integrity with whatever I want to do. Decide clearly, I am committing for this, I will be in integrity with that. This is the purpose of my life. I am going to align all my thoughts to that, all my actions to that. Every word I am going to give, I am going to align to that. When you are so clear within yourself, you will simply see how you will become one. See, understand, I am using the word one. I am telling that means all the parts of you is going to become one. Right now, how are you? Think of yourself. One part is there, one part is there. Each thing in your mind, that is what, like, your mind moves, right? It jumps with each and everything in a different way. It wants this for a few minutes, it wants that for a few minutes. It wants both at a time. Some conflicting things it wants. So many things. Why is the mind jumping so much? Because you're not as one. You're just broken into pieces. Only when you get integrity with yourself, you're going to collect all these pieces, align them as one, and beautifully manifest the powers through you. So it's very important for you to get integrity within yourself for manifesting these powers. Ravi Kumaraya, I request you, like, you have any questions, I'm ready to answer. You just put the question in the comments, because I'm not getting anything, but I'm just able to see your comment that why no reply. So just post it in the comments again. I didn't get any of your things, so you just post it and I can answer it to your live. And Mukeshaya, you can even ask all these things. Yes, yes, blessing for Sadashihom, all these different things in Akashic readings. Even about your integrity, when you ask in the Akashic readings, Kalabhira, because during Akashic reading time, the person, the Balasant who's sitting, is having the whole time in front of him. Whole time. The dimension of time is like few toys in their hands. So they'll be able to play with anything, they'll be able to see anything that they want. More than using a toy, I can tell them a book. The whole time, past, whatever has happened, whatever is happening, and whatever is going to happen. All the three are under their control. They'll be able to see anything that they want. So that is why when you're asking about your integrity blessing, even if there's something like related to your past life or related to some few decisions that you took earlier, everything Kalabhira will answer to you straight, and so that you can get the answers and you can complete with it. Understand one thing. See, even when Swamiji once told that even when he has to speak in satsang or when he has to speak to the public, there needs to be some words that he has to use it for the society. Like, he cannot be straight. But here Kalabhira is going to be straightforward during Akashic readings, because he has nothing to do with the society. So you be ready for any answers that you're going to get. I'm not frightening you, I'm just telling you, because Kalabhira can answer anything to you. People come and ask when am I going to get a job, or where am I going to get job, who's going to pay for my Sadashivaham. So many different questions like this. So you can ask any questions like that, but just make sure you respect the space. And for Akashic reading, the link will be available soon. I'll post the link. You all can register in that link and get your Zoom IDs and have the Akashic reading read online for you. So right now, I can answer any question that you are having regarding different Shaktis, powers. Just post it in the comment section, and I can answer it to you live. Anything that you are having, just post it in the comments box now, and let it not be like personal questions, but post any question that you are having, and I'll be able to answer it to you live.
I'll come in brief, and you can collect it. Another one.
Tantrakam Remedy is asking question. Please tell me about Tantra sadhana anyone can do. I'm not able to understand your comments. I'm sorry. Please tell me about Tantra sadhana. That sadhana anyone can do. or it depends on Kundali. I'm sorry, I don't know about this whole tantra, because here what we follow are the agamas, and whatever Swamiji is giving all of us, he's giving the agamic reference to us. So we follow tantrika sadhana. I understand that. We don't actually here, when Swamiji is initiating us, we don't do any particular spiritual practice. We don't do any particular sadhana. Whatever we do is just for manifesting it. See, sadhana is you are going in the path to achieve it. Manifestation is already there within you, you're just opening to manifest it outside. So we don't do a sadhana, we just manifest it from us. So we don't have any particular sadhana, even doing puja. We don't do puja telling, oh God, I'm requesting you to offer, give me all this. No. We're telling clearly, both of us are from the same, we both are from the same source. So because of that, from that oneness, I am offering my gratitude to you. Let you manifest through me. So there's no question of powerlessness and there's no question of sadhana in this. It's just manifestation that's happening. So we don't have actually particular thing. We don't follow tantra. There's so many other traditions where they follow this tantra. Okay, how Tantrakam remedies is again asking, how can I know what I want, what I have in my life? No, how can I know what I have in okay. Understand, a guru is not a particular person who's having some powers, few good qualities. No, when it is guru, he is a huge reflection of you. The ultimate state that exists in you is what is reflected as guru. When you see him, and the moment you see him, you just fall in love with him. After that whole thing happening, your guru will start showing each and every positives that are in you. Only he can show what is there in you. No one else can show. So it's only guru, whomsoever is your guru. When he happens for you in your life, automatically you will see how beautifully different things, your own positives. I never knew I can close my eyes and see. I never knew I can do body scanning. I never knew that all these powers are possible through me. But right now it is possible. Because I have Swamiji in my life, who is my guru. So he is showing all the different possibilities and different powers that I have within me. He is nothing but a reflection of my own ultimate state only. So when you are having guru, you will just see how all this beautifully happens. We have coming from Mukesh Sarda. Watching Star Plus Mahabharata, is the Vishwarup Darshan also one of the Shakti? Actually, yes, it is also one of the Shakti. You will be able to see it. And Swamiji gives that, the whole thing of the Vishwarupa Darshan. Swamiji will give the power for you to have that darshan when he is giving the Krishna Shila initiation. You come here, get initiated, you will know. Deepak Devarajan. Rudrakshas are like batteries. But what happens when it cracks? Will the powers attained get lost? I cannot tell exactly it gets lost, but I don't think it will be in the same power as when it is full. So it's very important for you to make sure you wear full Rudrakshas, like proper big, like full Rudrakshas. Right now I'm wearing Rudrakshas only. All our jewelry, everything is made of Rudrakshas only. Tantrakam remedies is telling, Isma, I think it is called Guru Mukha. Of course, Guru Mukha, you are seeing the Mukha of Guru. Who will not fall in love? Anybody, whomsoever has, you just see in your life, when you met your master, even great beings, everyone, at the moment they see their Guru, they just fall in love with him. Mukesh Sarda, I was in Nityananda Yogam Narendra. Yes, I know that. See, when you got the Krishna Shila initiation, the first instruction that came to you should have been see the actual form of Sadashiva in that and bow down to him. So that form is only the Vishwarupa Darshan. And having the real, like in a physical way, yes, it is also one of the powers only. But I cannot tell that is one of the Shaktis themselves. But when you start manifesting Shakti, it's a space that you get into so that you can have the Vishwarupa Darshan. And I want to tell there's so many amazing initiations that's going on here continuously. Yesterday we got all the different spirituality books that Swamiji has written, all the books that Swamiji has written, downloaded into us. And after that, they started asking different questions. They asked questions. See how the whole thing. Yesterday was an amazing initiation. We got all. Swamiji got all the books that he wrote, and collected them. And in that, he put them all in a box so that none of us can see what books are there inside. And he just took the whole thing and put the knowledge into us. Now, when the whole thing, like they just took it and when they put the whole, when Swamiji just took the whole thing and downloaded it into us and initiated us. After that, we got all the Nityananda Yogam participants to get few of the books. They hid the books and they got it. They didn't show even the cover to us. Even the cover of the book was not shown to us. And they asked us about like what in page 89, write whatever is there. And really, all of us were able to see it in the Krishna Shila and write it. So that was an amazing initiation that all of us got yesterday. So from this, we will be able to download any book and any verse they are asking, we'll be simply able to write without even seeing the cover. And one more beautiful thing was that none of us even knew what language the book was in. Of course, all of you will be familiar that Swamiji writes books in so many different languages. They write Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese, so many different languages. So when we got a book yesterday, like yesterday I got a Kannada book. I didn't even know it was Kannada book. And whatever appeared to me, I wrote, and it was in Kannada script, and exactly that was only there in the book. So we didn't even know what the book is, the book was hidden inside, and the person asked me the page number, and I was able to write it, describing even the pictures. So that was a very amazing initiation yesterday. Even there are people who don't even know about so many things. Like there are so many kids who don't know Chinese, but they were able to write Tamil. They were able to write. So even the languages are also now getting downloaded into all of us. Because of the languages are also getting downloaded, we are able to manifest so many new possibilities which is there within us. So there is like one of the current happening that's going on in the courtyard. Swamiji's courtyard is one of the most happening place where all of us get initiated into so many different Shaktis like this. And amazingly, we fall in love with ourselves more and more, seeing so many different things. Of course, we are in love with Swamiji, and that integrity that we are having with Swamiji, that devotion and connection, is what is again and again adding up more and more to us, making us manifest more powers. Because we are manifesting more powers, we fall in love with ourselves also. That is actually one of the amazing gift that all of us have got. Falling in love with ourselves is not a joke. You might be able to fall in love with someone external, but falling in love with yourself is something very difficult, because continuously there's a part of which is mocking at you. So that even like because of all this manifestation of powers, such beautiful things are happening within ourselves. Narala Bobby, who was my guru in my previous birth? Ma, you can ask all these questions in Akashic readings, because when in that space, we'll be able to see our past, present, and future. So whole time dimension is shown to us, out of which we'll be able to answer any of the questions that you're asking. The Balasans actually, Mukesh, what should we expect in 10-day program for kids? In the 10-day program for kids, there is going to be a 10-day program. If you are an Indian, you can get your kids here to Bidadi, Bengaluru Adiram, and get water powers, all these 30 powers that we are manifesting, and the kids will be able to manifest. One more amazing thing is that they'll also be able to manifest the length dimension, where like whole thing of mathematics. Now they have huge problems. Huge means I really mean huge. Some 30 digits, 40 digits, some 10 to 100 phone numbers, multiply them, divide them, do something. Give the question to us. We'll write the answer just in just moment we see the question, we'll start writing the answer. That is one of the amazing powers that we have. So even these powers are also going to be gifted. So even studies also becomes like a no problem for all the kids. Mukesh Sarada starting in Feb. Yes, the program is starting in Feb. I'll put the dates also. But the only thing is, all the kids of Indian parents, like all the Indian kids, can surely come and attend it. I welcome Vinay, Hi, with them. You can post your comments here and get them answered live. Like any questions that you're having, you can post them as comments and you can get them answered live. So even like any of your kid, if you want them also to start studying like us, we don't sit and study. We don't waste time sitting with books, opening them, writing homeworks, doing practice sessions. No, we don't do any of those things. We sit, go on manifesting powers. Simply this knowledge starts getting downloaded in us. We just see the mirror or see the crystal and write. Arumugam, Nityanandamaya. You can surely put any, like you have any questions, you can put them in the comments box and I'll be able to answer it to you live. Anything about the manifestation of powers that is going on here. And Mukesh, that is awesome and it is free. Yes, this is one of the main thing. It is free program. Swami just gifted Gurukul itself free to the world. So this program, this third day program, the Nityananda program is also going to be for free. Any Indian kid can attend it. It's free and imagine they're coming here 10 days, they play, enjoy Swamiji and enjoy here. All like they'll just be like in the vacation and suddenly on the 10th day they realize that they have so many powers. How cool it is. They go there and they become the topper of the class. They don't need to sit and study. 10 days vacation and the exams, the scores go highest. Because Swamiji is going to give this whole gift. Length dimension is not a choke. You can access any information that you want. So that's what they'll be able to do. Like chemistry equations and all will be easy for them. I'm telling you all this because the kids here in Gurukul, that's what they're exactly doing. 12-year-old kid is sitting and writing 12th grade exam and scoring 100%. Mensa test is being cracked. Mensa is like world only 2% of the whole world population kids are able to do. No, people actually. That's one of the most difficult IQ level tests. Even in that 2%, they're not cracking it completely. And the kid here sitting as just a 12-year-old kid is sitting and cracking the exam and getting scores like 99%. That 1%, that 1 mark also went off because there, in the French word she didn't put a stroke. That's all. All this was 100%. All the answers were right. This intense happenings are going on here. You can come here and get your third initiated, but this is only for the kids. Nityananda program for kids. So it is coming this February month only. It's of course a free program. They all can come here and join us. Acharya Manish Kaushik. Show me my way, that will be my future. You can ask about this, your future, in Akashic readings. In Akashic readings, because the whole time dimension is there, you will be able to ask about your future also. So you can come here and ask in the Akashic reading and get your Akashic readings read for yourself. There they'll reveal what future is going to be there for you. Or even if you want to do, like for example, you want to do a particular sadhana, or you want to go to a particular place to give some bhashana. Now all these things, want to do all these things, the confidence that you need to have within you, what kind of space that you need to carry within you, you can surely get even that space from here. You can come and ask in the Akashic reading and get it answered. Tantrakam remedies. Thank you for your valuable access. Thank you. Maria is asking, Nityanandamma, can you expand on how you enter the space of oneness? Thank you. I'll tell you the easiest way to enter into the space of oneness. First, come here, get initiated by Swamiji. After this, just remember that one initiation, just remember the moments with Swamiji. Suddenly you'll see something sweet starts happening within you. Suddenly that bliss starts happening within you. You start feeling light within yourself. Just You don't need to do anything else. Close your eyes. Enter that moment that you were with Swamiji. That moment, the joy that comes within you. That sweet feeling that happens within you. That's all. You are in the space of oneness. Deepak Devarajan, is there any program available for adults? Please tell the date too. If yes, what are the powers will be initiated? I'll get the dates. It's a program is there, a 21-day program, called as Inner Awakening. I'll get the dates tomorrow and I'll tell you the dates and I'll tell you more information about the powers. Actually, we'll be getting more powers, not just a study. I'll chat about all those things tomorrow. Sudesh Nair. The answers appear on external objects only such as Krishna Shila, banyan leaf, or mirror with Jnana Jana, or appear in mind with closed or open eyes. If not, then do you get to carry Krishna Shila
I'm there with him.
to the exam hall?
Do well.
Swamiji, we asked this question already to Swamiji. Actually, there's no problem with carrying it. What Swamiji told us, the Balasans will be able to start seeing it in air itself. Right now, we are just using a mirror and we are able to see it. But Swamiji told, like, when we are actually going for the exam, we don't need to worry. All we need to do is we'll just draw lines like this, and suddenly the whole screen appears in the air, and which only we will be able to see. Only the person with the power of the study will be able to see. So we don't need to worry about that anymore. So we'll be able to see it in the air, and we'll be able to get the answers in the like whatever question that we are having for. So even all these initiations are also waiting. The kids are going to really enjoy the exams, the pressure due to studies. Everything is going to become redundant for them.
Yeah, I'm taking it away now itself.
So any more questions that you're having,
Not to worry.
just post in the comments, and you can get them answered live. Any question that you're having regarding Shakti's different powers, you can get them answered live. You ask, see, actually, the space of oneness, you ask the people who are there with manifesting powers, just nothing else. Remembrance of Swamiji. Just that moment you remember Swamiji, the moments with him, suddenly all the heaviness in you starts going off. All the parts, and it will be like totally new space. You don't feel you're just within this body. You don't feel a tight feeling, that heavy feeling of you. You will become like a river, just like how Ganga is flowing. You'll just be flowing in that love. The moment you remember Swamiji, you're in a space. Your whole Anandagandha opens up. And when your Anandagandha opens up, beautiful way, if all the powers also start. So with this, let's conclude today's session. Any question that you're having and all, like more comments, you can post it. Or tomorrow again I'll be coming live. That time you can ask me. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Sadguru Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Thank you all for watching my video today.